Sister Grace reporting to you live from the Kanye West concert in Jamaica. So yes, Sister Grace is here and we're at the service, okay? Emancipation Park.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we're trained.
Wagwan Unstoppable family. So people, Kanye West had his Sunday service in Jamaica on Friday, and as expected, the turnout was huge. We saw a number of entertainers from Jamaica turn out both from the gospel and dancehall genre and gave Kanye some support. One dancehall entertainer in particular which supported Kanye's event was Spice, as she attended the event with her kids.
Why don't want to kiss him up in a public, you know, but it's not big man. So, this is Sister Grace. I'm just coming from I was going to say Sunday service. You know it's Sunday service, but this time it was held on a Friday night here in Kingston, Jamaica. And this is Sister Grace, and I want to show off my Sunday service hat. And of course, the man print specifically for Jamaica. Yeah. So yeah, Kanye West, big up yourself and welcome. Oh, let me go back into my Sister Grace voice. My kids are here as well. Yeah. And them get them hat and them shirt and yeah, Nicolata, this kind of big face still, but yeah, they never print no kid size. And this is Sister Pam and Sister Joyce. And we all have our church service shirt and hat. Yes. What the song go? Jesus, what the last song go?
Jesus walks.
He's alive, yeah. He's alive, he's alive, yeah. Because the Bible tells me so. Yes, I know. Because the Bible tells me so. Yes, I know. Because the Bible tells me so.
There were some Jamaicans who were skeptical about Kanye's visit to Jamaica and making statements such as it's going to cost Jamaica an arm and a leg to host such an event for Kanye. Why Jamaica always do things like this? Well, the entertainment minister, Miss Babsy Grange, spoke out and made it clear that it cost Jamaica absolutely nothing as Kanye himself foot the bill for everything.
Is facilitating the concert in Jamaica. Kanye West is paying for absolutely everything. They'll be spending over $1 million for this event in Jamaica. They have covered their own air charter, flights coming in.
Yes, we reach.
Local hotel accommodation. They're spending a substantial amount on technical services. A large number of Jamaicans will be hired. They reached out based on the recommendation of a Jamaican who works with him. And the best we could do is to facilitate them in making the arrangements. It is at no cost to the Jamaican government or to the ministry. Jamaica is trending at this time across the world because of Kanye West Sunday service being held in Kingston, Jamaica.
We saw video footage of excitement surrounding the entire event. Even at a sound check, we saw where the excitement was crazy as Jamaicans was anticipating the actual show itself. Sound check was an awesome one. We saw where Jamaicans came out in numbers Friday night, which was just last night, to support the event. Let's take a look at sound check and then we'll take a look at the numbers that turned out to support.
Guys, can you hear this song? Can you hear the link when y'all sing it? I hear everything? Okay. I'll tell them to hear you. I want to hear from Fallon this way. outro is open. Say it. Sopranos are real loud, guys. Ruby. Sopranos are loud.
People, right? Yeah. People, listen, we've seen video clips of Kanye West's performance and his entire crew, and on the stage Kanye West along with himself had 120 persons on stage performing. Listen, that's a whole heap of people on a stage, you understand? But people, the event turned out awesome. Like I said before, we saw entertainers both from the gospel and dancehall genre attend the event. I've heard some gospel entertainers from the dancehall gospel genre spoke out about the event. Some were saying it was awesome, some were saying it could have been better. However, final say in this thing is it was an awesome show. Now people, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. You know the thing already. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this whole thing. And if you also attended the event, talk to us down in the comment section. Let us know if it was an awesome show for you and was it worth you attending. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Watch ya. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now we unstoppable. Unstoppable.